Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the TEDx event. Today I am talking about unlocking the mind. Every 3 seconds someone develops dementia. I will use Alzheimer instead of dementia because it's more familiar to people. Let's look at data. As you see, in the year of 2024, 50 million people get Alzheimer. It's predicted that in the year of 2030, 82 million people get Alzheimer. Also, 152 million people get Alzheimer in the year of 2050. What should we do? We should make our brains stronger. But how? One way is reading books, learning a new language, doing activities such as puzzles, crossword, and Rubik's Cube. How to solve a Rubik's Cube? Decide to learn. Second, find a formula from internet. Third, practice and practice. Thank you for listening.